Hello tech enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. If you're noticing a yellow tint on your Realme device's display, you're at the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to fix that yellowish display issue on any Realme smartphone. So let's get started. A yellowish tint can be due to a few reasons, like the night shield feature, display settings, or even hardware issues. But no worries, we'll try out several options to hopefully clear up your screen. First, let's deal with the easiest fix, disabling the night shield mode. Go to your device's settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now here find night shield and make sure it's turned off. But in my phone, it's written as eye comfort. See, you can see that. Simply turn it off. This feature tends to make the screen appear warmer, which can cause a yellow tint. If disabling night shield didn't change anything, our next step is to adjust the color temperature of your display. Back in the display and the brightness menu, look for the color temperature settings. Here you can adjust the slider from warmer to cooler tones until you find a setting that looks more natural to you. Alright, if that still doesn't solve the problem, we need to check any software updates and might find the issue. Head back to settings and scroll down to phone. And tap on software update. Make sure your device is up to date, as updates often fix bugs like display color issues. If none of these steps worked, it might be a deeper hardware issue, or perhaps a problem specific to your device model. In such cases, I recommend visiting an authorized Realme service center to get professional help. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.